We have one more exercise number 27. We make this 3D dimension model in the Creo parametric software. So first of all, we start to read the sketch. We start from these two revolving features. The center of these features is 60 mm and the two circles. The inner diameter of the circle is 18 mm and outer the radius is given 80 mm. So diameter will be 36 mm and extrude 36 mm. Now make this rib, and before the making these ribs and extrude, connect the both circle with the help of 12 mm ribs and extrude up to 36 mm. After that we make this extruded part, ribs and capsules. Now first of all we select the Creo, select sketch, front plane. We make the draw the two circles, have a same radius. The diameter is 18 mm and center from the center line is half of 60 mm. Now make the another circle at the same center, both the radius having same. The radius 18 mm, so diameter is 36 mm. Select the line, connect to tangent. Now make it offset 12 mm. Here direction is downward, so we make the upward, enter the minus 12 mm. Okay, now trim the remaining line. Select trim, select this line and make it close. Finish sketch, select extrude, back side, enter 36 mm. Okay, now render it. Now make the behind ribs 12 mm. So select sketch, select back face. Okay, make the tangent, draw the one line and make it tangent. Now draw the circles. The diameter is same. Select the trim. Draw the line, coincide with this edge, trim the sketch, make it close, finish this one. Now select extrude 12 mm. Okay, now make this extruded part. This edge is connect with this back face, so we draw the rectangle 12 mm by 16 mm. This center is both same, so we make this center to center square and extrude up to 90 minus 18 mm. To subtract this radius from this center, so we find this value extrude, select sketch, select this face, okay, draw here rectangle, give the dimension 16 mm, this one is a 12 mm and half of 60 coincide with this edge, okay. Now extrude this one, select extrude, enter here 19 minus 18 mm extruded value, okay. Now make this two extruded part at the back side, so total 25 mm, this one 12 mm, so remaining 30 mm and 12 mm height, the two square extruded part gap is 25 mm. Select sketch, select this face, select rectangle, draw here, another one draw here, both equal, this one both are equal, the gap is 25 mm. Height is 12 mm. Thirteen mm, 12 mm, and this one is 25. Now select coincide, select this edge, okay, select extrude, opposite direction, select this face, okay. Now make here ribs, select sketch, select this face, okay, select line, select coincide, coincide with this edge and oh, finish. Now select the rib, profile rib, the rib dimension is 12 mm, so enter here 12, okay. Now the last one is a capsule, the center of the capsule, from the bottom is 25 mm and from the side edge 22 plus half of 9 mm. First of all we make this square and after that provide the radius at the corner edge, so select the 8 plus 9 plus 8, 25 by 2 times of radius 16 mm. Select sketch, draw a rectangle, 2 times of 16 and this one is 25 mm. this dimension is 25 minus, subtract this radius value, and same 22 minus, subtract this radius values. 25 minus 8, and from this edge 22 minus 8 mm. Finish x2 opposite direction through hole. Okay, now select the round. With the help of control, select all 4 edges. Enter here 8 mm. Okay, now the little radius is provided at the top edge corner. Enter 2 mm. Okay, now our exercise is done. Thanks for watching these videos.